What is budget? A budget is estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified future period of time and is usually compiled and reevaluated on a periodic basis. Budgets can be made for a person, a group of people, a business, a government, or just about anything else that makes and spends. Types of budget: 1. Surplus budget, 2. Deficit budget, 3. Balanced budget. Surplus budget. This is the explanation for surplus budget. Next, deficit budget. Lastly, balanced budget. What is the purpose of the budget? Used as a tool for planning and management of the country's economic resources. Budget encourages governments to think for the future of the country, that is, ready and prepared for something that will happen in the country's future. Budget is a guide to the economic growth of the country. The budget has been prepared by the government will be announced to the people. The budget is used as a guide in planning and implementing activities in order to achieve the targets set. Budget as a tool of fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is carried out with the aim of collecting the country's revenue and spending that revenue to maximize the economy and spiritual welfare of its people.
5 initiatives under 2021 Malaysia Budget in promoting the economic development. The first initiative is generating and retaining jobs through MyStep. Under this initiative, 35,000 job opportunities will be offered in the public sector to fill out positions such as nurses, medical attendants, and temporary teachers. Meanwhile, government-linked companies, GLC, will offer 50,000 job opportunities that prioritize technical and financial fields. The second initiative is driving investment. This is critical to strengthen Malaysia's competitive positioning in global value chains, preserve the supply chain ecosystem, and safeguard high-skilled jobs. The third initiative is development of the commodity sector. The government has announced an allocation of 20 million ringgit to continue the Malaysian Sustainable Palm Oil MSPO certification. China recently agreed to encourage its enterprises to increase the import of sustainable produced Malaysian palm oil and other related products in accordance with the market rule. The fourth initiative is Industry Digitalization Transformation Fund. The fifth initiative is Transport Infrastructure Development.
So here, the issues that relate with Budget 2021. Here we go. So first is improving financial assistance. First issue is to enhance the welfare of vulnerable groups. The government has agreed to increase the monthly rate of financial assistance. The second is implement and improve the cash assistance in a more targeted manner. Second issue is, under Budget 2021, the government will continue to implement and improve the cash assistance in a more targeted manner. For the year 2021, the government will replace the Bantuan Sara Hidup (BSH) with the Bantuan Prihatin Rakyat (BPR).
So, what are the solutions? First, improving financial assistance. For persons with disabilities, OKU is increased from 250 to 30 ringgit. For older persons and others, is increased to 350 to 500 ringgit. For disabled workers, is increased from 400 to 450 ringgit. The rate for financial assistance for children is increased from 100 ringgit per child with a maximum of 450 ringgit per family. The second is implement and improve the cash assistance in more targeted manner. Families with monthly household income of less than 2,501 ringgit will receive assistance of 1,200 ringgit. Families with monthly household income starting from 2,501 ringgit will receive BPR assistance of 800 ringgit. Families with monthly household income starting from 4,001 ringgit will receive 500 ringgit for those with up to one child. Single individuals earning 2,500 ringgit and below will receive assistance of 350 ringgit. The conclusion is, the proposed budget 2021 is a continuation from the Prihatin SME Plus, Penjana and Kita Prihatin stimulus package.